This is my £57 or $77 per month 2-bedroom air-conditioned rental home here in Thailand. It's cheap as chips. Why don't you have a look? This is Pie Guy. Little quail's eggs. In the last video, you saw me looking for this house. You saw me signing the contract, getting this house, getting the key and coming in on the first day. Now, it's been a couple of days later. I have moved in all of my stuff. I'm in. I'll take you for a wee look around and I'll show you a couple of the changes that have been done already. It's definitely not the tidiest. This is not an MTV Cribs video. This is me showing you what I'm getting for such a great budget here in Thailand. Look, here's two of my motorbikes. I have one more, Yamaha Aerox. If you're coming to Thailand and you need a motorbike, if you're a big guy, get a Honda Forza, I'll say it right, Forza. And if you're a bit smaller, get a Yamaha Aerox, the best. Now, what was I going? Okay, so I've got my bicycles, I've got all my bits and bobs, my vacuum cleaner, clothes, bits and bobs, washing machine, hanging up my clothes because I've been washing stuff. The fan's broken. Now, coming into the kitchen, more stuff. I've just been moving everything in here. I moved my fridge in. The kitchen is usable just now, but I need electric points over here to make it more convenient. You're hungry, ain't you? Wee Nitro. I rescued Nitro from a busy road in San Patong. Aye, you're a lucky wee bum. Yes, the toilet is, everything needs painted still. This is growing in and I just decided to wrap it round and up there. And it kind of looks natural. It is natural. All right, don't look at the dishes. I've just utilised this for now. I've not been in long, man. It's been a lot of moving and I've been doing it all myself. Aye, don't rely on other people. You don't have to rely on other people. Now, I might give you a wee sneak peek in here. Just a wee sneak peek. Oh, what's going on in this room then? Woo! That's in a video that I'm actually editing just now. Oh, don't look there. Oh, there's all my stuff. Look, there's a lot of my stuff moved in. I've got my golf clubs and that's doors that I've taken off from there and a bed that was in there. That bench is there, but way, there's my tools and stuff. But first things first, I'm still a little bit worried that the dog's going to get out here or a dog's going to jump in. So I need to cover this up. And I've just got this, what do you call it, styro board, or I don't know what you call this stuff. Just want to put it in about there. Not going to put it all the way in. This brick, I'm not too sure. It looks as if it can crumble and break. It kind of looks like sandstone. So just a couple of wee knocks will do it. Not expecting this to hold too long, but as long as it stops the dogs being interested in each other for a couple of days, couple of weeks, that'll do me. Easy stuff. Lovely. That'll do. Secure. Well guys, the sun is going down. I have managed to cover up every hole in the wall, and something I didn't tell you was there were guys here today and welded this gate and sprayed it and put these covers over it, because if you watch the last video you'll see that the gate was kind of covered with these I don't know, cement board sort of things going up and down, and it turns out there wasn't any metal bars behind that. So if my dog had a problem with another dog on the street, my dog could just run through that easy. So that's done. That cost, I think, 5,000 baht for the both of them. That one and this one. So I am, oh, look at that, it's coming out already. Oh, I need to fix that right now. I'm bringing this video out for you just now because, wow, yesterday, the last couple of days since that last video went out, what an amount of views I've been getting and subscribers. So I'd like to thank everybody that's watched. An extra special thanks to people who have subscribed, because I'm a small channel and it's actions like that that lets the YouTube algorithms know that people enjoy the content. It lets me know as well. So if you'd like to give this video a wee like, I'd love that. And subscribe if you want to follow this DIY sort of tarting up a cheap house and seeing if it's worth it. It's definitely worth it, I'll tell you that now. And what I might do is give a wee giveaway. How about that? I have a lot of Muay Thai shorts, brand new in packaging. So you can comment down below, Muay Thai. And if you're subscribed and you've liked the video, I will pick a random comment and I'll post it anywhere in the world. I'll post it anywhere in the world. So comment Muay Thai below and you could get yourself a real nice pair of Muay Thai shorts. Top class, genuine ones, man. But for now, oh, it's such a mess. I really need to tidy this up. It's an eyesore every time I come out here. That'll be maybe one of the next videos. I'll do a time lapse. Look, I would like to really say thanks to Mark and Jamie for coming and helping me lift this out of the kitchen storeroom and land it here. And as you can see, my DIY shed has been cleared out. Oh, the camera's overheating, that's why it's shaking. So I'll need to just kind of get on with this. This is going to get renovated. I'm going to give it a good paint it white, and it's going to go in the bedroom. Alright. I've been here a couple of days and I've done a few things, which is coming out in the next video. But I thought I'd make this one just impromptu style. So I've done a couple of things. I don't want to mention too much because it's going to be in the next video, but this one is just to say thank you and just an update on what's going on for everybody that's interested, like the subscribers. Thank you so much, man. What I'd like to say, I don't know what I was going to say actually. I'm standing holding this hammer. What I'd like to say, I can't remember what I was going to say, but what I'd like to say now is, how about I just talk to you a little bit about, maybe there's a lot of questions, there's a lot of people saying things in the comments and stuff like that. I've been here, I've been living in Thailand for over 17 years. I speak, read and write the lingo. I am level 4 going into level 5 Thai language. So I get on pretty well here in that sort of aspect, which means, yeah, I can do it, talk to anybody and go anywhere, which is the best thing to do. And I totally advise you to do it if you're thinking about coming and living here as well. It opens up so many doors and avenues that you wouldn't believe. Right? You don't need to rely on English speaking people when you're in a Thai speaking country, right? Makes sense. Yeah, I've been here in this place now for a couple of days now. I've moved all my stuff and there's a lot of work to do. Just making the place secure. I've got my cameras, CCTVs and all that hooked up. Well, a couple of them, not all of them yet, but super pumped. So how about we maybe take a wee trip down to the pitching area. I managed to get out of the house at a time a lot later than I anticipated. Oh, the golf place is closed. Oh, I saw they had a wedding there last night and it was still a mess by 4 p.m, 4:30 this afternoon. Usually open at 5. What did we do now then? Where did I take you? Well, that didn't work out to plan. The golf practice place was closed. That's unfortunate. So I'm back home, as you can see. But I was going to order some food from Grab, but I remembered I have some food in my fridge that I had left over from one of the markets, yesterday's market. So I ate lots of chicken and stuff, and I didn't eat this stuff. Oh, can you see it? Right, this is pie guy. These here, pie guy. I don't want the bowl to fall off. Right, what? I'll just do this. Okay, trying to be quiet. The 3 dots means it is chicken, and it's like a savoury curry in there. I heat it up in the air fryer, as well as these. These are the little quail's eggs in the fried pastry, the fried, what do you call that stuff? The crispy stuff. Damn it! And I made my own little dipping sauce. Oh, I am terrible at showing you this. I don't want to drop it because the dogs will guzzle it up. So with this, they give you like a really sweet tamarind sauce or like a sweet orangey sauce. And I don't like it so much, so I make my own with mayonnaise, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and a bit of lemon juice. And it's lovely. So, yum yum. Oh, that's really delicious. Really, really delicious. These are a bit hot. And they're so tasty too. So I have been living in Thailand for nearly 18 years now, coming up to 18 years. I speak, read and write the lingo. And I've been learning the language off and on for a long, long time. I did a couple of years of Chiang Mai University back in the day. Oh, 12, 13 years ago. Or longer, 16 years ago or something. Aye, so yeah, I've been at it. I've been in a couple of relationships here, but it's never worked out. Been single for a long time, and just getting my stuff together, trying to find the right budget from which I want to attack life from, right? And yeah, I'm enjoying this YouTube thing. I've been in Chiang Mai most of my days here. I've been in Chiang Rai for 4 years. I was up in Chiang Rai. But Chiang Mai, yeah, a long time. I lived in Phuket for a while, maybe 6 months or so. Lived in Bangkok for 3 months, I think. And then, yeah, I lived in Phuket and Bangkok first before I came to Chiang Mai. Please don't be too hot. Perfect. Hi, guy. So it's like a savoury curry pie. So tasty. Potato, carrot, sweet corn, 12 baht. 12 baht. It's like 40 cents or 30 pence. It was basically a video just to say thank you, because I saw the views pop up a wee bit. And if you're into these daily vlogs, I could do that. So if you're into the daily vlogs, give it a like and a subscribe, and you might as well write down Muay Thai in the comments and give yourself a chance of winning a brand new pair of Muay Thai shorts in the bag. High quality ones from a really good factory in Bangkok, Siam Muay Thai. I can't remember the name of them. We supply the shorts to the big tournaments, big competitions, TV shows and stuff like that. So write it down in the comments below, Muay Thai, and I'll pick a winner and I'll post it anywhere in the world to say thank you to you guys. Mm. Oh yes. All right, so I'll end it on that. I'll eat the rest of my pie, and the dogs will probably get a little bit as well, won't they? As they always do. They've been fed already, don't worry. So, thank you very much. I love you long time, and I'll see you in the next one.